In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a song in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through it slowly so you can follow along even if this is your first time sharing music. First, open the music app. This can be Spotify, YouTube, or any other music app that lets you share a song link. When you tap to open it, you should land on the main screen of that app, usually showing your recent songs, playlists, or recommendations. Take a moment to confirm you are signed in and can see your usual music so nothing looks unexpected. Now find the song. You can scroll through your playlists, browse albums, or use the search bar at the top of the app. Type the song name, and if you know it, add the artist name to narrow the results. In Spotify, you will see the track listed with the artist and album art. In YouTube, you will see the video thumbnail and the channel name. Make sure you tap on the exact version you want, for example the original track, not a remix or a live version, unless that is your goal. Once you have the right song in front of you, tap Share. The Share button might look like 3 connected dots or an arrow, and it is often near the song title or the play controls. When you tap Share, a menu or a small panel slides up from the bottom or appears in the middle of the screen. This list usually includes options like Messages, Facebook, WhatsApp, and sometimes recent contacts. From this Share menu, select Copy Link. On Spotify, this option might be labeled Copy Link or Copy Song Link. On YouTube, it is usually just Copy Link. When you tap it, the app copies the full web address of that song into your device clipboard. You will not see the link yet, but a tiny confirmation like link copied may appear for a second, which tells you it worked and you can move on. With the link copied, open Messenger. Tap the Messenger icon on your home screen or app drawer. When it opens, you should see your list of recent conversations, each showing the contact name and a small preview of the last message. Choose the person or group you want to share the song with, and tap that conversation to open the chat window. Inside the chat, paste the link in the chat. Tap once in the typing box at the bottom of the screen to bring up your keyboard. Then use the paste option, usually by tapping and holding in the box until the word paste appears, then tapping paste. You should now see the full song link appear in the message field, and in many cases Messenger will instantly show a small preview with the song title and image. Finally, tap Send. The Send button is usually a blue circle with a paper plane icon, right next to the message field. When you tap it, the message moves up into the chat history, and the song preview becomes visible as a clickable card. Your friend can now tap that card and open the song directly in their music app. You have just shared a song link in Facebook Messenger from your music app, so if this helped you send your track, give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.